Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see here, we have a lot to tackle, so let's get right into it. And I know you'll probably wonder, how in the world did her kitchen get that messy? Well, for starters, we do have a family of 9. We have 7 boys. Yes, all boys, and yes, a family of 9. We are a blended family. And on this particular day, we went grocery shopping, and I like to clean my refrigerator the night before I plan on going to grocery shopping. However, I did not do that this time. So I was like trying to throw out stuff and clean the refrigerator, and then it went to me organizing the cabinets and throwing out expired stuff in the cabinets. And then the kids were fussing, saying they were hungry. So I'm like, here, grab a snack, here, just sit it on the counter. I'll clean it up. And before you knew it, I looked up and the kitchen was like this. So please sit back and enjoy this video of me cleaning my kitchen. And actually, you don't have to sit back. Get up, clean your kitchen while I clean my kitchen. Let's motivate each other.
thank God for making me brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain. Yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds,
You guys, so the ZEP, I think that's how you pronounce it, their instructions say to wait 1 minute after you spray before wiping it off. So that's why you'll see me spray the stove and then I went over to the dishes. Then I sprayed the stove and started doing that. When I sprayed the eyes of the stove, these things here, I actually left it on more than a minute and I actually like it better. It came off so easily. So going forward, I'll probably let the zap, I don't know. I'll probably let it sit for at least 5 minutes. And look how gross this looked. Ew. I took that off to replace the light and noticed that was just absolutely disgusting. So yeah, now I have to clean it because I seen it.
don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me. Cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need
So right here on the side of my refrigerator is where I keep my younger kids' sight words and to-do lists and checklists and everything for their school week. So that's what you're seeing me here, swapping out different words and organizing it for the week. I am aware that I placed this list upside down. I think I was just focused on trying to hurry up so that I can wipe the front of the refrigerator. But also, I wanted to show you guys this magnet my husband got for me from Dollar General. It is so cute, and I wish it was just that easy. But yeah.
I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style. No, I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds. No, I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style. No, I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. That's all I really need.
Okay, guys, I wanted to take a break from cleaning just to show you these cool gadgets and products that I got. It was suggested during my living room deep clean video that I get a bucket and a scrubber for my baseboards and stuff. And I went to TJ Maxx and look what they had, that cool trendy little bucket on TikTok. They had it for $7.99, so I had to get it. And I'm just showing you guys how it works. You can't beat that price. $7.99, come on. And that's actually where I seen the zip at TJ Maxx, and I got the one for the granite and towels because I'm going to scrub my hallway floors. I also got a new mop head for my current mop. I know that you can wash them in the washing machine and all of that, but I just always get a new one. And I finally invested in a toilet wand. And look at this cool microfiber mop I found at Aldi's for $6.99. Yes, Aldi come through. But okay, back to the cleaning.
Got is deeper within, and your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy style. No, I don't need your hang-arounds, your hang-arounds.
Oops, you guys, I almost forgot I had this soaking in the zip. So I scrubbed it before I mopped. But look at the difference. Look how white that is. Beautiful. Now I don't have a phobia of gnats dropping in my food as I'm cooking.
And I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, your dreamy eyes. No, I don't need your pretty smile, your pretty smile. No, I just want your perfect mind, your perfect mind. Yeah, that's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, your edgy.
So you guys, we are not done yet. I did wash out and clean my organizing containers, or storage containers, actually that's what they're called. I cleaned the storage containers, so you'll see me here just refilling them, and then halfway through refilling them I realized that I didn't have any labels. They accidentally got thrown away, so I used a dry erase marker to write what was inside the containers and their expiration date. So you'll see me do that. Then you'll see me place it neatly in the cabinet.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper with.
And here's the finished product. This concludes the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed.